VA buyers, quick PSA for you. A VA appraisal is not the same thing as a home inspection. And if you confuse the two of these, you can get blindsided mid-transaction. That's why I'm here. We're going to break it down under 3 minutes. We're going to go through this. Just give me 3 minutes of your time. So the VA appraisal, when the appraiser comes to the property, they're usually there for about 20 to 30 minutes. They're looking at the condition of the house, checking to make sure that it is livable and safe. They're also going to be checking the value of the property. They're going to be looking at recent sales nearby and making sure that you're not overpaying for the home. Now, the home inspection, on the other hand, exists to really uncover health and safety related defects, to do a deep dive, a deep inspection. The VA does not require a home inspection, although we always recommend having one because you never know what's hiding underneath. So back to the VA appraisal. What are they looking for? Well, here are the 7 most common things that I've seen a VA appraisal note on a report. Number 1, and the stereotype of VA loans, peeling paint. Peeling paint, peeling paint, peeling paint. Oh my God, peeling paint. That's the biggest one. Peeling paint. Number 2, missing or loose handrails or an unsafe staircase. Number 3, some roof issues, whether it's leaks, whether it's a roof that's missing shingles, whether the roof is past its expected life age. Number 4, open and obvious electrical hazards. So they're not really crawling through crawl spaces, doing a deep dive like a home inspection, but if it's an obvious electric concern, like a fraying service line, big items. Heating, that refers to actually heating the house and the hot water. They want to make sure that it's livable space. You're not required to have air conditioning, but you are required to have a stable heat source. So you're going to check that it works. Water issues, whether it's active leaks, standing water, obvious moisture, they're checking for that. And then number 7, another really common one, and there's others, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of others that the VA checks for. All right, and just wanted to chime in here because I almost forgot a big one. An uneven sidewalk. VA is going to notate an uneven sidewalk. If there's a tripping hazard, they're going to want that repaired. But broken windows, whether it's the glass itself, the pane is shattered, or maybe there's a crack in it, they're going to check for those items. Now remember, they're going to check for more. But a home inspection is going to check for even more than that. Home inspector is there for 2 to 3 hours. VA appraisal is there for 20 to 30 minutes. So you really want to make sure that you cover all your bases. I recommend getting a home inspection, even if it's a new construction home, because you never know what's going on underneath the surface. But there you go. VA appraisal versus home inspection. Whether you're active military, veteran, moving within South Jersey, out of South Jersey, to South Jersey, my family and I are here to help. For the past 3 years, we've been New Jersey's #1 VA real estate team, and we got your back. So don't hesitate to reach out, and thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, you might like this one right up here. Don't forget to subscribe.